Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the Garmin Dashcam 55. If you remember from last year, we did the Garmin Dashcam 65. We'll drop a link below, they're very similar. And this has got 40 and 40p, and it's got voice control. And this is the packaging here. And on board we've got voice control, forward collision and lane departure alerts, red light and speed cameras, pair to smartphone and share video, automatic instant detection and GPS to see where events occur. And it's 405 centimeters by 562 by 214, and that's about what the package looks like there. And we will take out the contents. So inside we get the usual bits and bobs. We've got our user guide here, we've got our USB cable here, and if I remember correctly, it's the older type. No, this is the USB, normal micro USB. The last one was a bit different, I think. We've got an extra sticky pad. We've got our in-car charging here, and we've got the unit itself here. So if you remember from the last one, it looks pretty similar. This one's got a gold, rose gold kind of edge to it. And down here we put a micro SD card. We charge it from this side here. This is our window mount here, so this will pop off here and you stick it onto your window. And we've got our controls here, so you have 4 buttons here in your menu. It'll be the same menu as before, but we might just do a video on that later on and just go through the menu on it quickly. But that's just about it for now. That's the Garmin Dashcam 55. Stay tuned for more coming soon, and I'll talk to you in the next one.